Are you looking for the best flux core welders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best flux core welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Forney 40 FCI Flux Core Welder. Forney is one of the oldest brand options out there when it comes to welding machines, since it offers all kinds of options including a decently powerful flux core welder to its buyers. The Forney 40 FCI Flux Core Welder comes at the first position of this list since it is one of the most compact flux core welders out there. Even at its given size and compact form factor, you get a fairly decent current output of 14 amps out of this flux core welder. This is combined along with a 0.30 flux core wire, allowing you to get precise welds. You also get a fairly good duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps with this welding machine. Talking about the compatibility of this flux core welder in terms of the metal thickness on which you can work, it is ideal for up to a 1/4 inch thick metal sheets, which is quite good. A great thing about this flux core welder is that it has an inbuilt torch and handle, which can be quite handy in a lot of cases. Since Forney is a fairly popular brand, its given 1-year warranty is to be expected. Best features. Offers a maximum current output of up to 140 amps. Works with up to a 1/4 inch welding thickness. Rated duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps. Comes with a 1-year long warranty period. Pros. Quite a small and compact welder. Decently powerful for the given size. Includes a handy carry handle and torch. Cons. Limited number of included accessories. Number 2. YESWELDER Flux 135 Flux Core Welder. As you can most likely guess by the name, YESWELDER is primarily a brand of welding machines as well as related accessories, because of which we have stated its flux core welder in this listicle. With the YESWELDER Flux 135 Flux Core Welder, you get fairly decent performance numbers and a wide range of handy features, making it a great option for many. While you get a decently high current output of 135 amps with it, it only weighs 11 pounds, allowing you to take it with you. Talking about its duty cycle, it is quite average at 30% duty cycle, which is to be expected from such a portable option. However, despite having the given current rating, its material thickness is a bit limited at 1/8 inch and can be low for some users. For using this welding machine, you will have to use 0.30 or 0.35 flux wire, which makes it fairly versatile. Just like most other brands, YESWELDER also offers a 1-year long warranty with its flux core welder. Best features. Offers a maximum current output of up to 135 amps. Works with up to 1/8 inch welding thickness. Rated duty cycle of 30%. Comes with a 1-year long warranty period. Pros. Lightweight and portable welder. Decently powerful. Supports popular flux wire sizes. Cons. Material thickness support could have been higher. Number 3. TOOLIOM 200M Flux Core Welder. TOOLIOM and its welding machine options are known for offering pretty high performance numbers, which is also true for its flux core welder stated here, that can be a great option for heavy-duty usage. The TOOLIOM 200M MIG Flux Core Welder is the most powerful option stated here in this listicle, at least in terms of its current output. To be precise, this heavy-duty flux core welder from TOOLIOM is able to offer a maximum current output rating of up to 200 amps. Not only that, but you also get a superb duty cycle of 60% at 200 A, which is much higher than most other welding machines. However, to achieve such high performance numbers, it is a bit limited in terms of supported maximum thickness, which is only rated at 5/32 inch and slightly lower than most other options. Since this flux core welder is designed for heavy-duty usage, you also get a few handy accessories like wires, feed, cables, electrodes, and others in the box. Similar to most other flux core welders, this one also includes a 1-year warranty. Best features. Offers a maximum current output of up to 200 amps. Works with up to 5/32 inch welding thickness. Rated duty cycle of 60% at 200 amps. Comes with a 1-year long warranty period. Pros. Excellent current output rating. Superb duty cycle for long-term usage. Includes a few handy accessories. Cons. Material thickness support could have been higher. Number 4. Hobart Handler 140 Flux Core Welder. While it is a bit on the expensive side, Hobart and welding machines like the Flux Core Welder stated here can be a great option for all those of you who want something highly versatile. Hobart's Handler 140 Flux Core Welder comes at the second position of this listicle, as this welder comes with a wide range of accessories in the box, making this welder highly versatile for a lot of users. Talking about its performance numbers, you get a maximum current output of 140 amps out of it. Although, its duty cycle of 20% at 90 amps is a bit low when compared with most other options out there. Thankfully, this high-end Flux Core Welder still makes for a great choice for heavy-duty usage, as it can weld up to a quarter-inch thick materials with ease. Coming to the key feature of this Flux Core Welder, you will be glad to know that it includes all kinds of things like a MIG gun, cables, clamps, power cords, dual-gauge regulator, contact tips, drive roll, and material thickness gauge in the box. As you would expect from such a premium welder, it also comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Best features. Offers a maximum current output of up to 140 amps. Works with up to a quarter-inch welding thickness. Rated duty cycle of 20% at 90 amps. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty period. Pros. Wide range of included accessories. Precise and accurate welding controls. Quite a powerful Flux Core Welder. Cons. Highly expensive for the given duty cycle. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200 Flux Core Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200 excels in versatility and technical sophistication. It offers a 6-in-1 functionality supporting MIG, Flux MIG, Lift TIG, and MMA welding methods. It particularly shines with its synergic MIG setting. This setting automates the selection of the correct current and wire feeding speed based on the selected wire diameter and material type. This feature ensures optimal welding conditions, easing the workload and making it suitable for both novices and professionals. The MIG 200 has a revolutionary LED display that provides clear and precise control over welding parameters without lifting your helmet. This saves time and enhances safety. Its adaptive burn-back control and crater fill functionality make it ideal for intricate welding tasks, allowing for finer control over each weld's finish. The machine's design includes a fan-on-demand system that reduces noise and energy consumption, operating only when needed to cool the system effectively. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200 is moderately portable. It comes with a comfortable carrying handle and a shoulder strap option, making it manageable in various work environments, from shops to fieldwork. However, the weight can be a slight compromise on portability. Best features. Dual voltage capability of 110V/220V. Output current ranges from 30 to 200 A. Versatile welding modes including MIG, Flux MIG, Lift TIG, and MMA. Supports wire sizes of 0.023 inch, 0.030, and 0.035 for both solid and flux core. High duty cycle of 60%. Efficient with an 85% efficiency rate. Durable insulation grade H. Equipped with a fan-on-demand cooling system. Features a large LED display for easy monitoring. Pros. Multi-process capabilities enhance versatility. Automated synergic MIG settings simplify setup. Advanced features like adaptive crater and burn-back adjustment. Energy-efficient cooling system. Cons. Heavier than some portable models. TIG torch and spool gun not included, requiring additional purchases.